Varun Gandhi has been acquitted in the 2009 hate speech case against him. A court in Pilibhit has taken this decision. Pranshu is on the phone line with us. Tavleen rather is joining us with more details. Tavleen, do we know on what grounds he has been acquitted?
Yes, in fact, just a little while ago, the Pilibhit court has exonerated Varun Gandhi in that 2009 election speech, which had created a furor. What the judgment, basically, the court had decided to give the judgment in his favor because of two specific counts, very categorically. The FSL, the forensic lab report in Chandigarh, where it was found that in that report that that particular CD, the video CD that was, played and at that point of time was in fact tampered with. There were certain cuts in the CD that was found. Apart from that, in the whole case, there were about 53 witnesses, out of which close to 51 witnesses had testified in favor of Varun Gandhi, and the other, many issues pertaining to the particular CD and the technical glitches that were found in that CD. There were other issues that Varun Gandhi had raised in the course of the, court hearing that took place over the last 4 years about how, not only the tampering, but also about how that particular CD had come out about a fortnight after he had made that speech in Pilibhit. So as of now, it is a relief for Varun Gandhi because this case has been hanging around for the last 4 years. In 2009, he had made that particular speech, election speech during an election rally, and Varun Gandhi himself welcoming the judgment as it has, pronounced him not at all guilty and exonerated him.
All right, Tavleen, you're rightly pointing out in 2009 that alleged hate speech had been made and Varun Gandhi has been acquitted in that case. That's the breaking news coming in. At that point in time, he had in fact spent 19 days in jail in Pilibhit before being given bail. Now he has been acquitted.